while I was in the rock and roll barbershop, they were all covered in tattoos, and I like tattoo, and I just thought, I could do it today. And right enough, they phoned their local tattoo shop, and I went for it.
Well, when you're pent up with 120 people for a long time, the pranks are bound to start. So here we go. It's going to be a good day.
It's been really interesting. It's been a fantastic adventure. I mean, but now we get into another country, another day. We're losing track of where we actually are. But it's Paris is very close, and it's getting a bit tense.
I'm tired, but yeah, we feel great. So to have such experiences is incredible.
Currently still first, which is fabulous. It's been very tight, but inch by inch, second by second, we seem to be holding that area, which is pretty good. We're just thrilled. Just to even be at the pointy end at this end of the event is fantastic. You know, it's beyond all our expectations.